Hi, I'm Chris, N9CVR. In this video, we're going to try all this stuff out. It's been a while. So what I got going on here is this is my portable with a 991A, but you know, we'll call it portable. The neighbor's dog is being nuts, but whatever. And I realized I forgot a little table, so I got to get one of those yet. I've just got it in the garage. But we're in the yard, and we're going to set up basically as if it were Parks on the Air and try it. The other thing I'm going to try is a new logging software. So yeah, it's not going to set itself up, so let me get going on that. You know why we do this? So that we don't forget stuff. Because I just forgot something. Thought we would try the magic carpet. I know that's gonna fall. Good thing we got a wood pile. So I haven't set this thing up in like forever, which is why I'm doing this. So this should be 6 meters, 10 meters, 12, 15, 17, and 20. Full disclosure, I did not wrap this wire. Give it 6 turns. Ought to be plenty. I just realized I called coax wire. It is what it is. English can be a challenge for me sometimes. So can unruly coaxial cable. This is something that was going to get thrown away, so we are repurposing it. I have had an interesting coaxial journey, we'll call it. This well, I started with free Midland RG8 that I had gotten from someone who was, again, throwing it away. And yeah, RG8 is a pain. So then I decided, you know what I need? I need really light coax. So I got 316, and that is very, very unruly. Well, this is 58? Yeah, 58U. That works a little better. It really does. Other than whoever wrapped it up didn't know what they were doing. Details. Wow, that's like the fastest antenna setup I've ever had. Comfy. FT991A Miyati battery. Hamthings fuse block. Let's turn that off for a sec. Some things are conspicuously missing from this setup. I actually don't really need this. Namely, my janky laptop, because I'm going to use the phone. What else is missing? A bunch of ground radials. Those are a pain to set up. And what else? Here. Still using the Nano VNA for an antenna analyzer because it's nice and small. You know what? I might actually run and get a MFJ analyzer once I've done this and just compare. Might be interesting to see. So we are going to recall 20 megahertz. Okay. Looks like my antenna is just a hair long. We can fix that. How are we going to fix that? Okay, I'm going to pull this little chunk out is what I'm going to do. I don't like doing this because then I will forget where this goes. But I'm going to do it anyway. There we go. Just wrap that. Oh! That's why you're supposed to pull and twist. Let's try that again. There we go. If you can't tell, when I do... what's going on here? There we go. When I do outdoor radio, let's call it, I'm not going for speed of setup. I'm just going for setting it up. Let's see how that is. I like to mess around and have fun. Yeah, that's tolerable. That's kind of tuned for 20 meter CW, but it's tolerable. I have a tuner. And frankly, I could run it without a tuner and I'd be all right, so. Oh, actually though, I wanted to try the MFJ antenna analyzer and see how that is. Be back. All right, so I picked this thing up, MFJ 207. We're gonna give it a shot. So 20 meters should be on D. And we have infinite SWR across the entire band. I wonder why. Yeah, it works. Tunes. It says the SWR is just a hair higher than what the, let me rephrase that. The minimum SWR point is a hair higher than what the VNA said, but doable. So I'm going to turn that off and try actually working. See who I can talk to. This thing's really big and clunky, but boy, that was an easy little tune. How am I gonna set this up? I'm dealing with a bunch of sun here. There's no sun over here. We'll do that. And clearly I've been indoors because my, nope, let's go back. My screen is really, really dim. Gotta fix that so I can see what I'm looking at. Dimmer LED, is that right? No, dimmer TFT. Select. Ah, now I can see what I'm doing. Did we just have a solar flare or something? I'm just barely hearing the maritime net. Yeah. Yeah, we just got out of an R3. Oh well, let's give it a shot anyway. So what I have here is Polo. Haven't used it before. I'm curious to use it, see how it is. I'm just going to do a custom activity. And I'm just going to do general contacts, I guess. Okay. So now if I do that, yes, this, okay. No, that's not how I... If you can't tell, I'm one of these people who don't read manuals. Do I just go to QSOs? Yeah, that's what I do. QSOs, okay. And I am going to see what I can figure out here. 20 meters, I am at 14.227 upper sideband. Oh, let's see what else. Well, let's see what, if anything, we get. Been a while. Is the frequency in use? November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo. Nothing heard. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo. Just testing a new radio in the backyard. A little portable operation. So CQ, CQ. This is November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo. Standing by for your call. Might be a slow afternoon. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo calling from Northeast Wisconsin. Just got a little portable station set up in the backyard, testing for future POTA. CQ, CQ. This is November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo, standing by for your call. Well, I got someone there, but really in the noise. This is November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo. Can you try again? I'm getting, I think it's a Victor Echo something. Really, really rough. Can you try one more time? Nothing heard. November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo calling CQ on 20 meters, just testing out a station. Seems like band conditions are a little rough, but we'll see if we can at least make one contact. This is November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo calling CQ on 20 meters and standing by. Kilo Juliet 5, Charlie Golf Whiskey. Let's see, I got, was it Kilo Juliet 4, Golf Charlie Whiskey, I believe it was. Yeah, that comes up. Is it Timothy? Oh, didn't hear you come back there. Kilo Juliet 4 Golf Charlie Whiskey, was that the correct call sign? All right, let's start. Oh, there you are. Okay, Monty, Kilo Juliet 5, Charlie Golf Whiskey. November 9, Charlie Victor Romeo. I am in northeast Wisconsin, and I'll get you a proper signal report on the next go around here. But it seems like band conditions are pretty rough. I was looking, it seemed like we just had a solar storm, so makes sense. But no, I'm just running a little portable station in the backyard. I'm thinking of doing some parks on the air tomorrow and wanted to make sure the station's working. So I'll send it back to you.
Yeah, well, it sounds really good on this end. You're 5x8 here in northern New Mexico, and very crisp audio.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, you're a 5.5 coming into here. All right, it works despite the lousy band conditions, but hey, cool. So I think I'm good for tomorrow. Trying to decide whether I should take this with me. The thing works. It's kind of cool. Yeah, it was, again, something being thrown out. Cool that that works. Cool that this works. Boy, I tell you, the Magic Carpet takes setup time down to nothing. It's amazing. So definitely going to be using that. Obviously, I need to wind up my coax a little better than what it was. Somebody had just done this. But I think I'm ready to rock and roll for tomorrow. Let's just hope there's no crazy band conditions going on. So, yeah. Well, if you like this kind of stuff, if you want to see the POTA activation, I think I'm probably going to be videoing it. That's going to be a cool one. There will be a guest, someone you may know. So pretty excited about that. So hit the subscribe button. If you do that, hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss that. And then we'll see you on the next video. 73.